Returning to my Coin Lady channel, I am pleased to see you again. The days will fly by. It's a bull market right now. Things are looking well in the market. Bitcoins are looking fantastic. XRP appears to be doing well. Solana was really stunning. The most valuable assets are looking great. Plus, Bitcoin hasn't taken off just yet, which bodes well for the other cryptocurrencies. Every coin dragged further upwards. What we'll be talking about in this video is the question of when XRP's major run will occur. In the first quarter of 2025 or later in the year. See, I've got this. Additionally, we will discuss the tokenization of physical assets, Larry Fink's predictions for the future generation, and the role of Ripple in this context. We will examine the Solana and XRP charts. So without further ado, unwind. The price of a Bitcoin is currently $96,608. It has gained 3.46% in the last day. Arrival of Ethereum at $34.68. It's presently trading at 2,040 cents, up 3.86% on XRP. For the time being, it ranks as the third largest cryptocurrency. There's Tether, BNB, and Flip Sol. It is still 99 cents USD, however it has increased by more than 12% in the past day. Pay close attention to that, since USDC is expected to reach a total market cap of $1 in the cryptocurrency industry. The stunning aspect of this is this: 3.4 trillion. We expect to return to the 2024 high of approximately 3.7 to 3.8, and much more capital will be flooding into the markets at that time. Given that Bitcoin has not yet broken out, XRP is demonstrating significant strength, and we are still over $400 billion short of that all-time high on the total cryptocurrency market cap. It is clear that XRP is making a strong comeback. Considered a highly bullish indicator. Come on, Solana, let's do this. TheCryptoMinute.com is the source for this. After a week of trending, the price of Solana is waiting for a directional breakout. According to this, Solana has been behind on her payments for the better part of 2 weeks. Sure, I can help you with that. The market as a whole has been falling. Many people are spreading false information about Solana, claiming that the network is useless, the same arguments that have been leveled against Bitcoin and Ethereum. It is down, it stops, it moves slowly, and it costs a lot. However, did you hear? None of that will matter when the dust settles. The institutions want it. So you want to know why it doesn't matter. A Solana ETF is on the way to you. Institutional investors will pour money into your venture. Solana has no plans to leave. This is completely stagnant. Actually, one of the biggest winners this cycle will be Solana. All the various indications are visible in the Solana chart. Everything that has changed on Solana is happening on a daily basis. Everything began when we received a hint that a significant breakout to the upside was about to occur, when Solana was trading in the $1.90 region. And the cycle kept on going. After that, there was a big push. Afterwards, you will be able to view the supports with the highest volume. The part of you that is green is the part that supports you. Show your opposition red. As you can see, our break was clean. Permit me to focus on this. Here, too, we had a clean break, and the trend of strong breaks is still going strong. My bull run, my bull cycle, Solana, is looking wonderful. A parabolic explosion at the very top of Solana's list of simple objectives could take us even higher. 1,500 to 2,000%, 100% conservative politics is more my style. If you're new to the channel, I'm going to throw out a very cautious $8,000 to $1,000 on top of this, and I think it will be a huge moneymaker. How can we be sure about it? If the institutions have their way, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and maybe even HBAR, as we all know from bidding, will be the most lucrative cryptocurrencies this cycle. As a canary in the coal mine that filed that ETF, I think it was somewhat prudent of us. We'll have to see how far that goes. Plus, we will have more ETFs available in the future. Just the ones that have been announced are included here. Priorities for 2025 Cointelegraph will mostly focus on those. The price of XRP surged by 12%, and naturally, they held us back. As you may be aware, the first step is always the transfer of funds from escrow to Ripple. And regardless of the direction it takes, they always seem to tie it into this, like if it were a Ripple. According to Ripple, 500 million XRP has been moved and open interest has increased by 25%, indicating that new capital is entering the market. The question now is if this is truly fresh capital, or merely the same recycled funds that were used to extract gains when the overall market cap of cryptocurrencies reached its peak, almost 3.73 trillion. They pocketed the money. Investors are getting back into the market after waiting for the correction and dip. They can now see that we are heading back into an upswing. Therein is the crux of the matter. It is imperative that we focus on it. The XRP chart is worth examining. Here we are discussing the breakout using the same code scripts. As you can see, yesterday we had a breakdown when we were denied at 242, then a slight collapse to 234 and a great rebound up overnight. We discussed the price range of 230 to 250 as a signal to but for XRP, but the powerful breakout happened over 232. The range of 270 to 275 is also visible. Is the crucial figure that you should be watching for XRP to break. Should that materialize, your subsequent objectives will be the $350 to $6 range. On the other hand, we're sitting above the support level at 240 right now, which is a fantastic indicator. The next crucial area that needs to be broken is the 244 range, which is extremely narrow. There are a lot of intriguing ranges that require breaking when we examine 230 to 250. After we clear 250, we'll aim for the 270 to 275 range. I think the precise figure is somewhere around 272. When that gets broken, by a broken, I mean we need to close a few of gaps up there. Lots of people will get confused if we only use a wick. I touched it, and then it slipped back down. That's how they view it. Closing a candle is not what that is. Just having a small wick above the 272 range isn't enough to unleash the floodgates for XRP to run any higher. We need full body closes. North Carolina. Keith released this. He was a guest on the show previously. I have no doubt that we will be hosting him again soon. He discusses the XRP chart he has. As one of the most reliable TAR analysts, he has been making these calls for a while now. Everything is on his time record since 2023, he says. He has shown pinpoint accuracy and a keen eye for XRP price action. He stated in his initial 2025 report that they had a thorough examination and bounced off the 50 his yellow line. We need to maintain our position above the green and purple, which is about in the 20 cent range, because we have re-entered that huge market. According to him, the more subdued it is, the more crucial it is to know whether that will be accomplished by May. This year's May, then, is when that really takes place. After 5 months, will we be able to surpass this? When that parabolic surge peaks later this year, will we have the breakout, or is it already here? When we reach that parabolic blow-off peak, the XRP objectives will naturally be greater if this occurs now. Seeing my video is an honor. Bye for now, and please subscribe and like my channel.